My name is Rylan, and today I'm going to be teaching how to do matrices. We're going to be learning how to read, add, subtract, multiply, and divide them. Matrices are an array of numbers grouped into rows and columns to perform operations such as the ones we've listed. Let's start off with how to read matrices. So right here I have a example display of numbers. I have 2, 6, 3, 5, 6, and 3. And the first thing we want to do is we want to know what are rows and what are columns. So from top to bottom is going to be our rows.
It's a column.
And from left to right is going to be our
It's a row.
The whole point of understanding matrix is to understand a certain element of it. And I'll show you an example of that. So say we want to show this element right here. A, 2, 3. So to read this, we're going to go to the second row and we're going to go to the third column. So we can go 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3. We're going to go down to 2, we're going to go over to 3. So the A, 2, 3 is actually just going to be 3. 2 more examples. So now we're going to do A, 1, 2, and let's do 2, 1. All right, so again, it's simple. We're just looking at the first column and we're going to the second one over, which is going to be our 6. Then we're going to look at row 2, first column. That's just going to be 5. So now we know how to read a matrix. We're going to learn how to add matrices. So I drew another example array. I've made both of these, however, just 2 columns and 2 rows, just to make it a little easier on us. And so it's very simple. Basically, we're going to group these into the portion that they're supposed to be in. So we're going to look at adding. So here, we'll look at row 1, column 1 for both of these, and we're going to add those together. So in this case, we would do 4 plus 6, which is going to be our row 1, column 1 for our final product. So we can just keep doing that. We'll go row 1, column 2 for both of them. So that's going to be 5 plus 3. Row 2, column 1, 2, 3. And row 2, column 2 is going to be 6 and 4. So our final product is going to be a 10 here, an 8 here, a 5 here, and a 10 here. So when you add these 2 arrays together, this is your final product. And now we know how to add. So now we're going to use the same 2 arrays, but we're going to subtract them now. So we're going to find out what A minus B equals. So first, we'll just do what we have been doing. And we're going to go row 1, column 1 for both, and we're going to subtract B from A. So right here we have 4 and 6. So we're going to subtract the 6 from the 4. So it's going to be 4 minus 6. We're going to go to let's go row 1, column 2, and so that's 3. Same thing for the other one, that's 5. So we're going to go 3 minus 5. Let's go row 2, column 1, and it's going to be 2 and 3. So we're going to do 2 minus 3. And last we have 6 minus 4. So if we put all these together, we're going to have negative 2, negative 2, negative 1, and then 2. So our answer for what A minus B equals is this. And now we know how to subtract. Now we're going to do how to multiply using the same 2 arrays again. And we're just going to keep following the same process. We're going to look at row 1, column 1, 4 and 6. So we're going to do 4 times 6. We're going to look at row 1, column 2. We have 3 and 5. So we're going to do 3 times 5. We have 2 and 3. It's 2 times 3. 6 and 4. 6 times 4. Now obviously we have to do multiplication to find these answers. So 4 times 6 is 24. 3 times 5 is 15. 2 times 3 is 6. And 6 times 4 is 24 again. So the product of this array times this array is going to be this. And now we know how to multiply. And for dividing, you have to multiply by the inverse. But because this is an introduction level video, we won't be getting into that today. But this hopefully has gave you a base of what matrices are and how you can use them with operations. And I hope this video is helpful, and share with a friend.